Hi there! This video is here to help you understand when to use exclamation marks. An exclamation mark is used at the end of an exclamatory sentence to indicate strong feelings, a loud volume, or emphasis in speech. Exclamatory sentences, when not used in speech, always begin with how or what, but cannot be answered like a question. For example, take a look at these sentences. What a lovely jacket that is! How kind you are! What beautiful weather we're having! We can also use exclamation marks to indicate strong feelings and shouting, like here. Go away, my sister shouted at me. Exclamation marks also come after interjections. These are abrupt remarks that are not full sentences, such as, oh my! Dear me! Ah! Here is a question about the use of exclamation marks. It asks us to tick the sentences that should end with an exclamation mark. Tick the sentence below that should end with an exclamation mark. Tick 1. Why are you so angry? There's a cat in the garden. You're shouting, aren't you? What an amazing film that was. Firstly, let's rule out the question sentences. Option 1 and option 3 are inviting a response and include questioning words or question tags. These cannot end in an exclamation mark. Option 2 does not contain any emotion and just gives a piece of information. This sentence is a statement and should end in a full stop. Option 4 does not invite a response and shows an emotion. Therefore, it needs an exclamation mark. Well done if you got that right. Let's look at another question. In this next question, we are asked to rewrite the sentence as an exclamation. The jelly is very wobbly. Pause the video and have a go at writing an exclamation. Remember to punctuate it correctly. Have you written your exclamation? Brilliant. Remember, an exclamation needs to begin with how or what and express emotion, but without asking a question. Example answers could be, how wobbly the jelly is! What a wobbly jelly it is! Your sentence must begin with how or what and keep the same meaning as the sentence in the question. Remember, you must have an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence and begin it with a capital letter for it to be correct. Well done if you got that one right. Finally, let's look at one more question. This question asks us to punctuate the sentence accurately with 2 exclamation marks. Oh my, gasped Dad. What a perfect day it is. Click pause for a moment to have a go at this question. You may want to use a whiteboard or write your answer on a piece of paper. Finished? Excellent. The sentence should be punctuated like this. Oh my, gasped Dad. What a perfect day it is. Oh my is an interjection and requires an exclamation mark. The last part of the sentence begins with what, which expresses emotion and is not a question, so it also needs to end with an exclamation mark. Well done if you got that right. You should now have a much better understanding of when to use exclamation marks. If you're looking for more SPaG help, we have lots of these videos on the Twinkl website, including a video about when to use question marks, so make sure to check them out. Thank you for watching.